see, they are primarily white with black wings, and they design their silver yellow crest found on their head. So, mali siya ang pinaka-crest. He also has bright yellow underside wings. Now, the scientific name is Kakatua Talerina. Over here, we trigger Mary is our umbrella cockatoo Nigel. Now, the umbrella cockatoos are known as the white cockatoos, or the great white-crested cockatoos. That is because of their multi-white crest, which raises up like an umbrella. So, if you compare this to Tweety and Nigel, clearly you can see Tweety has a yellow crest, while Nigel has a pure white crest. Now, the scientific name is Kakatua alba. Now, last thing we check is our looking cockatoo in snow. Now, our looking cockatoos are endemic in the Sarawak archipelago of eastern Indonesia. They're classified as the